Let's see how to save money and create useful things in this video. You won't believe what you can do with a cardboard. Creating a focus light could work out. Create one with cardboard for your next shoot.
I have low intensity from this ring light, so I plan to make a new one to replace it. These are the things I need: a LED bulb, wire, power socket and bulb holder, and some cardboard. I'm cutting hole to place the bulb. Now I'm making a frame to my focus light with cardboard. To make some electrical works. Let's check. It's working. Covering the inner frame with soil paper. It makes the light brighter. Painting the outer frame. To cover the top with white screen to distribute the brightness. So I use a tissue paper on top of it. light with our focus light. The total cost spent for it is 120 rupees. I hope the video is useful to you.